Reggie. Reg. 9-shot miss and 1 hit. That's me, right? That's me doing that, right?
Where we're talking about?
The headshot.
The headshot? Yeah, you've got, okay. Here.
Fucking missed 9.
No, you're pretty consistent and you're fairly tight. We just have 2 rounds down here that you have to lower fingers. These rounds right here. That little cluster right there, that was because of this.
Yeah, I'm still fucking
moving these
with
bottom
that.
fingers. Hold tight here, a little bit of pressure here, because you put too much, every time you pull the trigger, you're doing this. That's what's making you go down here, that little clump right there.
Okay.
But other than that, that's good, that's good. Now here, this one right here, that was anticipation. Anything straight down, that was anticipation. This was pinky, these are pinky, and anything above the horizon, you're gripping the whole gun. And whenever you grip the whole gun, makes the muzzle go up. Okay. But I mean, that's not bad for 7. That's pretty good. I'm good.
Okay.
You're going to be lucky for that.
Okay.
tripod bag because I just take the action out, take it apart. I do, since there's no padding, I do put it in the top.
Your mini 14.
Yeah, no, yeah. Once you take the trigger assembly out, the whole thing goes apart, and I can double it up. It wasn't bad.
Same thing with
got an outer when I put the trigger assembly and one magazine, so technically those. But it seems silly to have the rifle not in the ammo, so I have one 10-round magazine and the trigger assembly.
so good.
You know, it's like I get from now on, memorialize.
You got the thinning crew.
Yeah? I wonder how ours
You want me to get out of your way, Reg?
No.
Go ahead, do your thing.
I wonder how ours
I think he's working something. I think he's back.
Oh!
Tom's back on Sunday.
Maybe he's back on Sunday. Oh, yeah, Tom's back too? Maybe on Sundays or something.
Yeah, then he always works Sunday.
Oh, I haven't seen him in like forever.
He's back this Sunday. Next Sunday.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Tom's working. From 7:32 or something.
I would almost say definitely has been over. You're off already?
I had to. See you later. See you later, buddy.
Be good, brother.
Take care now. It's good seeing you.
Good seeing you. I got a smaller car with this good.
Smaller one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We red got him.
Let's see, man, I'm out of work.
So I think that's good.
Yeah, smaller ones are hard to handle, so I'm glad you.
Oh, shit.